How have you started your day? For most of us, it was quite lazy. You know, sometimes, we should have a motivation to get out of the warm, comfy bed and hit the gym in the morning. Can it be possible to have a fit and perfect body while lying in the bed? Yes, it can. In this video on Pars Health TV, we are going to share 8 abs workouts that can give you a flat stomach from the comfort of your own bed. Stay tuned. Number 8. Flutter kicks. This workout will engage the lower part of your stomach. To do this, lie on your back with your legs together and hands underneath your hips. Lift your right leg off the ground slightly past the hip height. At the same time, lift the left leg so it hovers a few inches off the floor. Your back should be on the ground. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then switch the position of the legs, making a flutter kick motion. To make this exercise more challenging, lift your head and neck off the floor. Number 7. Crunch pulse. This is the kind of exercise that seems easy until you haven't done it yet. The crunch pulse is the normal crunch. The difference is in regular crunch after every sit-up, you should put your back and shoulders on the mat, but in crunch pulse, your shoulders should never touch the ground. You should do some little pulses. It's better to keep a little distance between your heels and the ground to add more intensity to the motion. Even the range of motion is not too much, but I promise this workout will burn your core fat hard. Do this exercise for 90 seconds in one set, and repeat sets for 3 times. Number 6. Push-up tap. To do this workout, you should get into a plank pose on the floor. Keep an arm's length away from the wall. Make the push-up pose. After lifting the body, hit the wall with the right hand. Make the push-up pose again and hit the wall with your left hand. Continue this movement for 60 seconds. To simplify the action, stay in the plank position and hit the wall. Before we check out number 5 on our list, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more informative videos. Number 5. Pilates rollover. This exercise is one of the best compound movements, which means several muscle groups will be working together during this exercise, leading you to burn more calories and work on muscle growth. Rollover primarily engages your core muscle, as well as gives your back and your hamstring a good stretch. You should lie on your back doing this exercise, put your hand along your side, palm down to the floor. Breathe and raise your legs together, point your toes, reach your leg up and over your head. If you want to modify the movement, you can reach your legs everywhere you can. Just push your limits, challenge yourself, not hurt yourself. You should repeat the exercise at least 6 times. Keep in mind, your shoulders should keep your body weight, not your neck. Relax your neck while the legs are over your head. Number 4. Reverse crunch. The reverse crunch is even better than the standard crunch for strengthening your abs muscles. The move keeps your muscles under tension for a longer period and hits the tricky to target lower abs particularly hard. Lie down and lift your legs so your thighs are vertical and your knees are bent at a 90 degrees angle. Contract your core to bring your knees to your chest and raise your hips off the floor, then slowly lower your legs back to the starting position. Number 3. Side plank leg lift. As it seems, you should get into a side plank position. You can place either your palm on the floor with a slight bend in the elbow, or put the elbow on the floor. Both are fine, but you can try it with the palm on the floor if you want to add intensity to your workout. Now abduct your leg up toward the ceiling. Try to keep your body straight to avoid damages to the spine. Do 15 or 20 lifts for each leg. Number 2. Pike to Superman. Push up while your toes are on the ball. Fold your hips and roll the ball towards you. Then, your torso will be vertical. Roll the ball back so that your body will straighten again and pull your spine. Then, roll the ball to the top of your legs so that your body is straight in a line, that your arms are stretched over your head but still on the ground. You have to look like Superman when he flies down. All of these steps involve a round of movement. With the help of your large back muscles, stretch yourself to return to the push-up position and start the next round. This exercise is one of the best abdominal pack exercises and one of the hardest. Number 1. V-sit crunch. Start on your back with hands extended over your head. Raise your legs and crunch up at the same time, shaping your body into the shape of a V. Exhale as you raise your legs, and crunch and inhale as you return to the starting position. For all of the abs challenging reasons of a traditional crunch, but also because it keeps you from putting unnecessary torque on your neck and using momentum to finish the crunch. 3 sets of 20 seconds with about 60 seconds rest between sets. Avoid jerky motions and be sure that while working on your abs, you are focusing on your ab muscles and not straining the muscles in your shoulders or your neck. We appreciate you tuning in. And don't forget to watch more of our amazing videos on the left and right of your screen. See ya!